How to fix Realtek audio not working on Windows 11. If your Realtek audio is not working on Windows 11, updating the sound drivers may fix the problem. First, open Windows Search, type Device Manager, and open it. In Device Manager, find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and expand the section. Look for your Realtek audio driver, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the available driver from the list and click Next to install it. Repeat these steps for any other audio drivers listed under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Once you've updated the drivers, check your audio again. Your Realtek sound should now be working normally on Windows 11. And that's how to fix Realtek audio not working on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe, and share this